Yeah, okay, I know that guy, he's crazy. Oh my gosh. Jesus. So that's it. Okay, so there's a guy out there cycling without any lights at all. I mean, like, the sun is slowly coming down, so yeah, okay, I know that guy, he's crazy. Oh my gosh. Jesus. So that's I gotta say to you guys out there who's kind of like running, cycling and stuff, don't run or be on your bike without any lights like at when the sun is actually setting. We can't see you at all and you're just gonna be driven over. So that's just so you know. I mean, like, okay, so this car right here is a 2013 Mercedes Benz B-Class. It is a B200, so it has 136 horses under the bonnet. It has automatic gearbox, obviously, 7 gears. I don't have the name on the gearbox. It's not a S-tronic. It's like Audi's gearbox. It's not an S-tronic, but it is a Mercedes-Benz B-Class B200 with an automatic gearbox, and it goes pretty good. I mean, like, this already have 400,000 kilometers on it, and it is still going. There's been some smaller maintenance issues on it, but basically it goes pretty well. And I'm like, it's a car from 2013. It has leather seats, it has sports steering wheel, like leather, and okay infotainment system. I mean, like, it's okay, it's decent. So it is like a pretty good car, even though it is pretty old. So it aged pretty well on this. It really did. And of course, automatic, you can actually change your seating position automatically with electronic. You don't have to use your hands and do like, oh shit, I cannot do this and stuff. I mean, like, everything is automatic, electronic windows all the way around, stuff like that. It has like eco system. You can take like CDs and stuff like that, so that's pretty well. It has paddle shifters too, which I gotta say, I thought it was pretty cool on the cars earlier on. But right now, I mean, like, it's a car with 136 horses, so you're probably not gonna use the paddle shifters at all. You're basically not. I had a 2018 Audi A3 with the S-tronic gearbox, 150 horses under the hood, and I said to the dealership, the salesman, that I wanted it with paddle shifters because I thought it was pretty cool to have paddle shifters. And he was like, yeah, sure, you can get that. It's like 200 more a month. I was leasing the car, so that's why it's 200 more a month. It's 300 Danish krone a month. I can't remember, and I was like, okay, let's do it. And the salesman said to me that, yeah, we can do that, but I will bet that you're not gonna use the paddle shifters that much actually. So and he was right. I was using them like the first 2 weeks I had the car, and then I was just putting in sports mode in the gear shifter road right here in Denmark. And we are gonna go ahead and actually turn around up here, I guess. So yeah, but so far so good. I don't actually have that much more to say about the Mercedes-Benz B-Class. It is a pretty good car. There's a lot of people actually owning one of these cars in Denmark, and it is pretty popular. I think also the new edition or the new version of the B-Class is gonna be very popular, where you have like this multimedia screen all the way over, as you get it in the A-Class, C-Class and E-Class also, I guess. So we're just gonna go ahead and see if we can actually turn around right here. Probably, surely don't hope that I'm gonna get stuck right there in the ditch. That would be pretty gnarly. But if I do, we have to go home and actually pick up the fender to pull me out. But I don't think it's gonna be necessary. We're gonna be needing that. So yeah, we're back on it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this car. Do you want some more videos? Do you want some more videos where we do actually talk and stuff like that? Or do you just want kind of a video where we just show the car? I think that most automobile channels actually kind of get the popularity because they're actually talking to the audience and stuff like that. So please let us know in the comment section down under. Also, please hit the thumbs up on this video and make sure to subscribe to Wanna See Autos on YouTube. The only thing you have to do is actually click the red button under the video, then you'll be subscribed. So that will be it for this small review of the Mercedes B-Class 200. Thanks for watching. We're gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks, bye.